1972 Chevrolet C10 regular cab converted short box. Here, unique, especially in classics. I'd say this one's been a little more on the resto-mod side now after some modifications, and it is a sweetheart. Underneath the hood, 6-liter Vortec V8. That's paired up with a 4L80E automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, front disc brakes, AC blows cold, heater blows hot. Take a look at the chrome on the front bumper grille, headlight bezels. Kind of this darker green metallic paint. Cool looking color on this era truck. And you can see, look at the reflection on the hood. Paint has a nice shine to it, the two-tone. Light going down the center trim. Looks beautiful on it. A little more modern slotted wheel. Nice look, nice stance. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on radial tires. Technician noted 2020 and 2021 date codes. Good to go on the rubber. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see this paint shows well as the trim. Great looking box with the oak and brushed stainless. Underbed tank with the fill right here. This one will take home some trophies, no doubt about that. What a fun truck for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And look at how straight those panels are from the rear to the front. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper, tailgate. I also want to mention AC does blow cold. It will come with a brand new compressor too. Previous owner of this one said when it gets warm, the compressor that's on it, it works fine and everything, blows cold. It gets a little bit noisy, so it's under warranty. So he has a brand new one that's going along with the truck. A couple other notes from the technician that looked at this. Front brakes are 80%, rears are 80% also. Has a 12-bolt Eaton True Track rear end. Aftermarket stereo system is working. Headers with dual exhaust. Vintage gauges, classic auto, and they're cool. We're going to take a look at them in just a second. They almost look like originals, but they're more modern. And he also mentioned the passenger side window. It cranks up and down. I just checked it a bit ago. It is just a little firm going up and down. If you know these old trucks, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I'll tell you what, these old trucks, if you like these Chevys, this vintage, this body style, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Actually, if you like trucks in general, go ahead and do it. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right up our showroom floor. And take a look up and down this driver's side too. What a beautiful truck. It's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Can you maybe find an imperfection here or there? Yeah, but man, overall, they are few and far in between. Let me show you this interior. All right, so we have the black and green combo in the interior. Looks great with the exterior houndstooth. Kind of a vinyl cloth combination, tilt column. Here's those gauges I was talking about. So if you kind of know how they're the green backlit gauges, had the green lettering and markings on them on the originals. These look very original, but obviously a more modern gauge. Padded dash looks good. Visors in place. I think we need to start this up. Let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. Of course, fuel injected. That 6-liter underneath there. Retro sound style radio. That's going to come on shortly. Of course, more modern AC and heat controls.
Ain't no crime, oh no.
Great sounding stereo, speakers down in the kick panels there. Wipers work. 1,396 miles since the gauges were installed. Battery gauge, temp gauge, that was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that to be up. Around here, fuel gauge working, and oil pressure. Man, this thing sounds good. Door closes nicely. It's nothing over the top for exhaust. It is just a nice sounding truck. All right, let's go take a peek underneath this hood. Let me pause this a second. I'll get the hood open, check out that engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around just a little bit longer. Jason will take you for a virtual ride, show you how it goes down the road. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. And check this out. This is nicely done. Aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Comes with a brand new compressor also. Heater also works. Cold air intake, filter's good. This one's ready to roll. Get in it, turn the key and go, have some fun. 1972 C10, a regular cab converted short box, good looking Chevrolet. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Yes, and of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us. George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom.
One of 114.
And beyond. New episodes every week. Only on Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very nice 1972 Chevrolet C10. Got a little bit of a stance to it with these wheels. Great looking throwback style, but larger. And a great green color inside and out. Black carpet, black door panels, houndstooth green and black seat cloth on that bench seat, so you're not going to stick to it in the hot summer. Beautiful steering wheel, original looking, no cracks. I could swear it's smaller, but it looks original. Very nice acceleration, great exhaust note. Our battery is charging at about 13 volts on the gauge. These are aftermarket gauges, but they fit very well in the factory housings. Tachometer on the right, speedometer on the left. They're reading. The fuel gauge reads a little over half of a tank. The oil pressure is 75 psi. Well, the water temperature is sitting right at 100. That one hasn't moved yet, however we haven't been running very long. Stereo is digital. Retro sound style radio in the factory location. And guess what else? We've got AC that blows cold from Classic Air. Very easy to start. Nice running truck. Automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. That automatic shift indicator is indicating that it has overdrive. Now that would be even better for highway RPMs, cruising on long trips. Power steering makes it easy to steer. Corners nicely. And there's the kickdown. And of course, the more you put your foot down, the more it's gonna kick down. This car, or this truck, has a nice rumble to it when you really get into it. Check out all the pictures of this 72 C10 at uniqueclassiccars.com.